This has been the first techconnect event of 2017, 2.1, LiveCode Microservices in partnership with BJSS.
I'm Kevin Smith. I'm a software developer at BJSS. I have a big interest in kind of software development and also kind of the infrastructure side of things as well. The talk was about microservices kind of as a concept, and then we went into kind of the enablers of kind of microservices being a kind of orchestration software with like Docker or kind of Service Fabric, which gives you a well-defined kind of runtime and SDK with it. For the Service Fabric demo, we created a web application which hosts an API with backend services which kind of offloaded the requests onto, and these kind of communicated across kind of using the Service Fabric naming service. So then they can coordinate where the services are within the infrastructure, and then they can forward a request and reply back to them with actually no knowledge of where they're provisioned.
As these non-Microsoft, as we refer to them, open source technologies come along, every time we see them, they're sort of bubbling up. So there's definitely going to come a point where we'll be employing them and deploying them.
I was talking about Docker, about what it is, how you would use it in a microservices type architecture. How would you go about packaging up your application inside a container and then deploying that container to some cloud-hosted environment?
Because we are planning to migrate to a different type of environment at the moment, so we have got a couple of projects which we are already doing, and I think now, with the changing scenarios, this is the right time to basically start making a shift towards the technologies whatever are coming up. So for me, this is very, very useful.